There's always been need of really good technicians and mechanics in shops, and Drive are the best. And you come to the expo, you get the best of the best. You get to see folks that are just like you, and they may be a couple of steps ahead of you, but they have answers and they have stories. And by just coming to the expo, you may learn something so you can avoid a bullet or avoid stress and learn how to handle those humans that are working for you and that are actually coming to your door as customers. First of all, you get to show up and visit with people just like you, who have been in the trenches, meeting the challenges that are part of this industry, but a whole bunch of them have won the battles. They are very successful. They've been through versions of what you're going through right now. It's a time to talk and listen. There's all sorts of amazing networking going on. Some of it's just unofficial and at your table or in the hallways, and then we have networking sessions that are magical. And we've got every kind of shop you can imagine. The awards give you people that are working hard in the trenches the chance to be acknowledged by your peers. You know, I look at the evidence. You guys submit it. We've got a little project. We've got a system of checklists that you follow. You upload it to the software. And first of all, your coach looks at it, you know, before I ever go near it. They're the ones that are the gatekeeper on a lot of this stuff, just like, okay, well, you're not quite there yet, you know, go back. But eventually, so many of you do tick the boxes and you achieve so many levels of success with your teams. The main thing that I think of to start with is when I walk into the expo, I see my friends. You know, instead of these little electronic boxes that we seem to live in throughout the year, I see people. I see husbands and wives. Some of them have their kids, and I love them. And as I mentioned, I'm from the Midwest, so, and you know, if you're in my path, I'm warning you, I'm gonna hug you. And if you look like you're nervous, I'll hug you more. Because there's one way to get used to hugs is more hugs. But I mean, that's the game. Get to see each other. I love it. I've never been accused of being kind of a quiet guy, but I just light up. I'm like a battery of this magical energy of people that we work together with and we can help. And that's the first thing. You start seeing each other. You might have seen their face on one of my workshops or one of our master workshops, and just the conversation just ramps up. And that's the first thing. You know, it's like buddies that you haven't seen in a while, and all of a sudden, bam, you're starting that relationship or that dialogue that you started in a workshop or maybe at another expo. Immediately the energy goes up, the communication goes up, and the help kicks in immediately. That's the spirit of the expo from the beginning to the end. And there's a whole bunch of other shop owners, and they've been through some of the things you've been through. You don't feel quite as embarrassed to confess to some of your confusions or the trips and falls down the stairs that you made, you know, figuratively or literally. They're just like you. And you can relax, you can breathe, and you go, oh God, you know, I don't feel so bad. This guy made the same mistake I made last week, you know? So it's just, you're welcome to the club. You're coming to talk to people and hang out with people just like you and get a little breathing area, relax, and learn some magic.